so it's everywhere. Okay, so I've just got a package, and I think I know what this is. I ordered a light bulb that is like a sensory light bulb, and you can change colours, and it connects to my Alexa. Just say Wi-Fi light bulb. Ooh, here it is. This is it. See if I can get inside it. It's called a smart bulb. Right. Oh God, it's so hard to get into. I think this has been opened by customs just to have it checked, because it's kind of battered. I'm sorry about the buzzing. I forgot to take the thingy. Yeah. Oh God, it's so hard to get into. This is the actual bulb. And I thought a remote came with it, but it's not. But what I'll do is I'll set it. I'm really sorry, I forgot to change my thingy. I'll set it up, and when I set it up, I will show you how it works. I might not put it up on my main light. I might just do it in my lamp for the moment. But yeah, I've got download an app and that, so I will do that now, and then I'll come back later. I'm really sorry about the lighting. I didn't realise it would be this bad. But I can probably fix this in editing. Okay, but once I get it all set up, I will show you what it does and everything. But it just looks like a normal light bulb. Watch this, I'm going to do this and it won't work now. Alexa, turn on the lights.
RGBC smart bulb isn't responding.
Knew it would.
Please check its network connection and power supply.
Alexa, turn off the lights.
RGBC smart
Yes, it
bulb
is!
isn't responding. Please check its network connection and power supply.
Alexa, turn off the lights.
Okay.
There we go! Alexa, turn on the lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the light green.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the light blue.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the light purple.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the light yellow.
Okay.
It's just a silly little thing, but I think it's cool. Alexa, get out my swamp.
I live in a swamp. I put up signs. I'm a terrifying ogre. What do I have to do to get a little privacy?
It is meant to turn the light bulb green when I said that, but Alexa, turn the light white.
Okay.
Oh, that's bright. But yeah, it's just like little things like just things like that. But
Dim it.
yeah, Alexa, dim the light by 20%.
Okay.
Alexa, dim the light by 30%.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the light up full power.
Okay.
Just like little things like that. It's weird. It feels like I'm on Star Trek. I'm on the Enterprise or something.
Gives me a ruddy headache.
Alexa, open the pod bay doors.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that. I'm not Hal and we're not in space.
Alexa, Beam me up, Scotty.
Aye, Captain.
It's just like something so silly, but I like it. But anyway, that's what the light bulb does. And Alexa, turn the light bulb blue.
Okay.
I think now, if I turn the light out, there you go. You can get a better look at it. I actually like the blue colour because it is really, really soothing. Alexa, dim the lights by 20%.
Okay.
It's just like something so silly, but I like it. Anyway, for now, I'm going to say love you lots like jelly tots, and keep it wicked weird. Bye. See ya. So all the social medias that I'm signed up to. I've also added a Patreon. I'll leave all links in the description below to all the social media.